neck lift is basically the tightening of what we call the cervical mental angle, and that's the angle here. And just simulating in my own profile, by simply tightening the neck, I take years off my life and turn back the clock. And that's the power of a neck lift. What's interesting about the neck, particularly in men, is that if you pull up to a red light and you look to your right or left and you see the silhouette of a man, immediately by that silhouette profile, you can determine his age, for the most part. The neck ages terribly in men, women too, but that's a very common complaint when, that I see in the office when men come in and they have either fat or excess skin in the neck. And the problem is, unfortunately, there's no real good exercises that exist to tighten it. Liposuction can be performed, but has its limitations because the neck structure is not just fat. It's skin and it's muscle. It's fat below the muscle, which is not really amenable to liposuction, so it's kind of complex. When patients come to the office, I'll evaluate the laxity of the skin as well as the amount of fat and determine whether or not they'll be a candidate for liposuction. Because if I can improve the contour of the neck with liposuction, that's it's more preferable than opening up the neck and doing a neck lift, because a neck lift is obviously more invasive, longer downtime, etc., etc. If they have either excess skin, poor elastic skin, then we're really left with a neck lift. And a neck lift combines the components of skin, fat, and muscle. Sometimes skin, let's put it that way. For one, the fat will be removed under direct vision, but importantly, the muscles will be tightened. As we age, we have the platysmal muscles, and they start off mainly at the midline with youth, and they separate and weaken over time. And this really contributes to what we see when we have an obtuse angle of the neck. Neck lifts look very natural. We can get really sharp angles with opening the neck and performing platysmoplasty, where we're tightening the muscles, removing the fat. And it generally is a real game changer when it's performed. It's one of these procedures that will boost confidence in men and women, because this is an area that people are really uncomfortable about, is their neck.